Welcome again. I'm going to tackle Quest 3 and maybe Quest 4 if it's fast enough here of the 2025 challenge of Everybody Codes. Let's go with this. Wonder if I should do these like unboxing videos. I'm unboxing Quest 3. Before I open that up, just pointing out, I have here my my golang framework file ready to go. So anyway, let's see, what is Quest 3 here? You're carrying the completed breastplate. Drawn to the This is incredible. Okay, since I have maybe turn in this favor, I will take you with me to the garrison, to Stack Tree Sanctuary, the best place to find answers. Scrolls, Sir Mandelbrot, of course. Using the engravings pattern for centuries. Yes. You recognize the knight's good intentions, so you agree to help. Also, you have a feeling these complex numbers could be very useful, but this is something for a completely different story. Okay. The knight came to the village to get supplies for the army. He has a number of horse-drawn wagons full of differently sized wooden crates. Carts are already filled with some goods, and many empty crates still all fit on the carts. That is an idea. For as long as possible, he wants to put smaller crates inside bigger ones, and bigger crates inside even bigger ones. Therefore, the crates will take up a lot less space, and so the biggest one will be left for each set. So use a set of numbers, your notes. Each number represents the size of a crate. If two crates differ in size, the smaller can be packed within the larger. A sequence of crates packed one inside another is called a set. Okay. The knight is curious the largest possible set that can be formed in terms of total size of all crates forming it. Ah. Okay, so I believe that what I would do is I will take all the crates, I will sort them from largest to smallest, and starting with the largest, use that, and then go down until I find one that is smaller than the largest, and then add that in, go down until I find one that is smaller than that, use that, and go on. Yeah, there's no reason to ever... Yes, the largest possible. Okay, so the largest possible is very, very straightforward. Now, they'll probably ask some much more annoying questions in other parts, but move that over into input. Okay, and these are Quest 3. Okay, size stir, scanner.text, scan, and now strings.split. And now size stirs, sizes, make int 0. For Okay. Then slices dot sort. Sort sizes, and then for lang slices current slices bracket len slices -1. Why is that? Oh, I meant that. Lang sizes, current sizes. If val print line p1 tote size. Okay, pretty straightforward. Go run quest 3. $26.12. Yay! Night nods. List of crates. Into the one of the purchased special mushroom to fit in any crate, but it cannot be packed with anything else. Needs to be packed into the smallest possible set of exactly 20 crates. Exactly 20 crates. Smallest possible set. Smallest possible set of exactly 20 crates. Interesting. Smallest possible set of exactly 20 crates. So I think that what I do is I start from the smallest and I go up, each time, making sure I'm doing a larger thing each time until I have exactly 20. if val Okay, I think it's this simple, but I'm not entirely sure. Okay. Sure. Part 3. The mushroom and other goods are loaded onto the carts. No limit on the number of crates that can be packed. No limit on the number of crates that can be packed into one set. The goal is to pack everything into as few sets as possible. So I think what I need to do here is I need to figure out which value is the most common, and then how many of that value we have. Yes. How many sets do you need for this? So I just want to check here that there is in fact some value that appears 3 times, and in fact 49 appears 3 times. So there are in fact 3 different 49s. Yeah. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do here for part 3 I am not going to bother to sort them. I'm just going to say make map int my map val 1 0 Okay. Remember to set that to 3. Yep. Okay. Well, let's go on to quest 4, because why not? Heavy loads of mag. Before I opened this, I should have set up my. gears, transmitted millstones have been replaced. Wasting. Number of teeth on a gear. No longer fits. Okay, so is it really just the first and the last, like the ratio there? That seems too obvious. Full turns the last gear will make. So I'm going to just check this here. 102/13. Okay, so it seems to be that it will be first number times 2025 divided by last number. You know, modulo rounding and stuff, so. I'm just gonna look at the everybody codes 2025 quit quest 4. Okay, so pretty sure it's just that. Okay, that's ridiculous. Now, before I go and get the second one, let me at least make my framework, my Part 4 framework. Quest 4 main.go. And these are 4s, 4, 4. Okay, that was number 1. Okay, that was ridiculously easy. Minimum number of full turns the first gear to make so that the last one turns at least that many times. Okay, so we need to use big ints. For scanner.scan, gears make, do I want an array or do I want actual values? Do I want an array of pointers? Yeah, I'm going to say actual values. Math dot big yeah. Big dot int big dot parse float. Okay. Storeconv dot parse uint scanner dot text 1064 gears append big dot new int I'm just going to ignore the error. Fine. Big dot int, that's that. And then what do I want to do? I want to find out that actually let's check out the top one. Oh. Okay, so we definitely have no problems there. Okay. Big dot new int okay, and then what I want to do is I want to say how many times do I have to Right, so I want the smaller one, so x times, okay, I want to make sure that I'm using the right value. So x times that is greater than, okay, so the last one, okay, so, right, working big dot 0 working dot set gears bracket dot mul wait a second. I thought that with math/big, I thought that with oh, okay. Yeah, what I actually wanted to do, I didn't want to do set. I wanted to do working.mul of target then div mod okay. Target dot set actually, wait, I don't need to do anything. Div mod working gears bracket 0 target if dot is there a testing thing? Trailing 0 bits. target dot compare to big dot there must be a okay, -1 or +1. Constants. Working dot. How do we convert to unit 64 plus 1 else P2 ants. Yeah. Okay, entirely too much trouble. Entirely too much trouble. Sorry about that. That really should have been a lot faster. Yeah. Okay. Second mill. List of gears starts and ends with single gears. Between them are pairs of gears mounted on common shafts. They always turn at the same speed. full turns the last gear makes. The first one turns exactly 100 times. Okay, so okay. So in terms of first one turns 10 okay, download. Okay, so we do have everything is as it should be. 552 vertical bar for 90. Okay. So first let me verify what I believe to be the case. So I believe it to be the case that it is this times that ratio, and then divided by that one. So top times that divided by that. And let me just check this here. Okay, did I miss one? Oh, yes, times 100. So it's 100 times, right, because that's how much you do for one turn. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so instead of keeping track of all the gears, I will keep track of the big new rat. And then one. Scan the test 10. Ants Okay, ants. Submatch. Line bits. This is the it's 2, and then yep, then ants.mul ants big dot new rat numer denom if that's text final is there, ants dot mul ants big dot new rat final 1 dot okay, so if I have a big rat and I want to do X float 64 sure about that. So, oh, yeah. Okay, so that's what happened is I do float 64 and it okay. Big dot new int actually can't I just do ints dot and then dot div really? Really? That's what you get, huh? It's an exact integer? You're telling me all of this multiplies out to an exact integer. Oh, wait, this is wrong. Yeah, I should be dividing the last thing. Stupid. That's it. Okay. How long have I been going? I've been going for almost an hour. So this is usually how long I go, and then I turn it off. Yeah, this one took me a little longer than it should have because I made a stupid mistake of forgetting that I have to divide the last one there. But oh. There. Get rid of that silly little complaint. Okay. So I will do the next quest. I don't know. Hopefully I will do the next few quests sometime this week, and I will put them up on the channel. And if you subscribe, you might get notified. But honestly, I suspect that most of the people watching this aren't subscribed and just found it randomly when the algorithm pointed it out. So if you enjoyed this, let the algorithm find it again.